What is up, guys? Brittany here with Britt's Hobby Shop, and today we're going to be discussing this dollar bill right here. So as you can see, the serial number is 334-24243. And if you look at this serial number closely, you will see that there are only 3 numbers that have been used in this serial number, and that is 3, 4, and 2. So what you would call this is a trinary bill or a trinary note. Now, if this only had 2 numbers in it, it would be a binary note, which is worth even more money. But okay, I'm going to show you guys now a few recent sales for trinary bills. Check it out. Okay, guys, so as you can see, these trinary bills are selling for really, really good money. Now, of course, condition of the bill does play a huge part in this. Not only is it the serial number, but also the condition of the note. So if you have a mint state dollar bill, then it's going to sell for a lot more. But okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, and I'll see you next time. Peace.